Hello students, welcome you all. Today we will do the exercise of chapter cell structure and function. So let's see page number 12, section A. It is fill in the blanks and let's see one by one. All the living organisms are made up of, yes, all the living organisms are made up of cell. The blank provide rigidity and protection to the plant cell and it is cell wall, the cell wall. All cellular activities are controlled by, सारी cellular activities किससे control होती हैं? Nucleus. The mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Tissue is a group of cell performing specific function. Then the sixth one, it was Robert Hooke who observed the cell for first time. Now come to the match the following. So Golgi apparatus, it is packaging center. Ribosome, it is protein synthesis. Chromosome, they contain genes. Dead cell, it is cork. Photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast. Now let's take the correct options. The cell organelle which act as storage bag of the cell is called, storage bag का काम कौन करता है? Vacuole. Hence egg is a cell organelle, a tissue, an organ, a single cell. Yes, it is a single cell. The nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by nuclear membrane. Which of the following will not found in egg cell, human liver cell and an amoeba? अब आप देखिए ये सारे क्या है? एनिमल सेल्स के पार्ट हैं और एनिमल सेल्स में हमें राइबोसोम भी मिलता है, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया भी मिलता है, सेल मेम्ब्रेन भी मिलता है, बट वी डोंट फाइंड द सेल वॉल, क्योंकि सेल वॉल किस में मिलता है? प्लांट सेल में. सो द ऑप्शन विल बी सेल वॉल. Which of the following represents the correct sequence? Correct sequence कौन सा होगा? The cell will get together and will form the tissue, and tissue will come together to form organ, and the organ, group of organ will form organ system. So the fourth option. Okay. Now the sixth, which amongst the following pair can be found only in the plant cell but not in animal cells? एनिमल सेल्स में नहीं होगा और प्लांट सेल में होगा. तो क्या क्या? सेल वॉल एंड प्लास्टिक. सो द ऑप्शन ए. Now come to the section D. Answer the following questions. List the main factors that determine the shape of the cell. So the answer should be the shape of cell depends upon its location and its function. Now question 2. Distinguish between unicellular and multicellular organism. यूनि मीन्स वन, मल्टी मीन्स मोर. तो जो ऑर्गेनिज्म वन सेल्स के बने होते हैं, सिंगल सेलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर नोन एज यूनिसेलुलर, एंड द ऑर्गेनिज्म हैविंग मोर देन वन सेल्स आर नोन एज मल्टी सेलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. तो यूनिसेलर के एग्जांपल्स यूग्लेना, अमीबा, पैरामीशियम. मल्टी सेलर ऑर्गेनिज्म के ह्यूमन, बर्ड एंड एनिमल. नाउ लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हाट इज दिस? इट इज give reason for the following. The cell is called structural and functional unit of life. Because answer should be because the cell is the only structure, it is the smallest one and the only structure which can perform all the life processes independently. Okay, then the question B of question number 3. Plant cells are more rigid than animal cell because plant cell have the cellulosic cell wall which provide them rigidity. Now question 4. Which cell organelle is known as powerhouse of cell? Why is it so called? The mitochondria is called the powerhouse of cell, and as it help to generate energy or ATP molecules which is energy containing, so it is known as powerhouse of the cell. Question number 5. The name the organelle responsible for imparting color to leaves and fruits of the plants. So leaves में color कौन देता है? Chloroplast. Okay, and so The chloroplast is responsible for imparting color to the leaves, and chromoplast responsible for imparting color to the fruits of the plant. Okay, so chloroplast and chromoplast respectively. Then the question number 6, what are cilia and flagella? Write one similarities and one dissimilarities between them. Cilia and flagella, these are the small cellular extension. Okay, cell membrane का जो extension होता है, that is known as, that is cilia and flagella, and their similarities, they help in locomotion. And dissimilarity, cilia is smaller in size and flagella is larger in size. Now question 7, if onion cell and cheek cell are observed through the microscope, state the two difference between difference that the observer is likely to find. यहाँ पर ये ध्यान देना, हमें दिखेगा क्या? ओके, तो पहली चीज़ तो क्लियर है, अनियन पील इट इज़ द प्लांट सेल एंड चीक सेल इट इज़ एनिमल सेल. तो इनमें हमें सबसे पहले क्या डिफरेंस व्हाट वी विल ऑब्जर्व. सो इफ़ यू सी, अगर आप ध्यान से देखिए तो इनडायरेक्टली इसने पूछ लिया एनिमल सेल और प्लांट सेल में क्या डिफरेंस है. तो फर्स्ट, द सेल वॉल, प्रेजेंस ऑफ सेल वॉल विल बी इन अनियन पील सेल बट इट विल बी absent in cheek cell. And the second, if you see, you will find there is a fixed shape in case of onion peel due to presence of cell wall, and the shape of cheek cell is not fixed. Okay, so ये हो गया आपका ऑब्जर्व डिफरेंस जो आपको दिखाई पड़ेगा. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, क्लासिफाई द फॉलोइंग इनटू सेल्स, टिश्यू एंड ऑर्गन. So skin, fat cell, RBC, blood, ear and muscles. Okay, तो चलिए करते हैं. आपके सेल में RBC आ जाएगी और फैट सेल आ जाएगा. ओके, देन टिश्यूज़ में, टिश्यू में आपका क्या आ जाएगा, अगर आप ध्यान से देखिए तो आपका ब्लड आ जाएगा, क्लियर. एंड देन ऑर्गन में आपका क्या आ जाएगा, मसल्स एंड स्किन, क्लियर. ईयर ऑल्सो. तो ये हो गया आपका. नाउ कम टू द सेक्शन ई. All the cells in the organism do not have the same shape. Because, answer is because all the cells does not perform the same function. The shape of cell depends upon their function location, so they don't have the same shape. Justify the above statement by drawing at least 3 different cells types. So we can draw the liver cells, we can draw the nerve cells, we can draw smooth muscle cells, we can draw RBCs. So we can do, and we can justify that there are different types of shape. Now question number 2, where and how the chromosome form, state their significance. Chromosomes are formed in nucleus and they contain gene on them, and these genes are responsible for transferring character from one generation to the next generation. Now question number 3, with the help of well-labeled diagram, highlight the 3 differences between the plant cell and animal cell. So you can see the figure and we can just write down its answer. Now come to the question number 4. Write the function performed by following cell organelles. Endoplasmic reticulum. What is the function of the endoplasmic reticulum? We can see the structure. Structure is clear to us. Now, what is the main function? Actually, endoplasmic reticulum, it is of 2 types, in which the rough endoplasmic reticulum help in synthesis of protein, and a smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in synthesis of fat, and along with, or they together perform the function of making shape or framework of the cell. Then Golgi complex. The function of Golgi complex is processing and packaging of material produced by the cell. Nucleus. What is the function of nucleus? Nucleus is known as, we can call them as a main control organ, okay, which control all the function of the cell. So as it contains the chromosome, so it is responsible for transferring the character from one generation to next generation, and it is the center of the cell. It controls all the activities of the cell. Then come to the chromoplast. Chromoplast, it is a plastid. It is a type of plastid which is responsible for imparting color to the different part of the plants, like flower, like fruits. Then come to the vacuoles. Your fourth is vacuole. What is the function of vacuole? It stores the excess of water and waste product of the cell. Then the last it is mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of cell because they are responsible for respiration and for generation of energy for different activities of life. Now question number 5. The cell membrane is very important component of cell. How is the damage to the cell membrane likely to impact the function? As the cell membrane controls all the exchange of material or exchange of material from inside and outside to the cell. So if they get damaged, then anything can come inside the cell or any useful things can go outside the cell. The control will be lost and finally it will affect the vitality of cell. Cell will die soon. Then question number 6. Define the term cell. For the plants and animals, name the different organelle that makes the cell. Explain why none of these is called the structure and function unit of life. So you can say that cells are the structure and functional unit of life because all the living organisms are made up of cells, and cell is the only smallest structure which can perform the life cycle independently. We can find the unicellular organism, but the organelles we can't find them independently. Okay, so जो organelles हैं, they are not the we can't say they can't make एक अलग organelle, they can't perform all the life processes. Okay, so we call that cells are the structural and functional unit of life. Now you can see the value-based question. The paragraph is written here. The biology teacher started her lesson on the structure and function of animal plant cell by talking about the cricket team. She told her students that the team wins its match only when all its members work as a team and do their assigned role in an efficient, sincere and responsible way. She then went to say that animal plant cells also work properly as their different parts work as team, do their specific functions. She advised her students to imbibe the team spirit, do their specific function as responsible member of any team they may be part of. So what is the question? Name two values that teacher spoke in her class. So first क्या है बेटा? Team spirit, and second it is responsibility. Okay. Now let's solve the puzzle across the third. Storage structure of cell, it is vacuole. Then fifth, regulate the entry and exit of the material in and out of the cell. You will find the cell membrane. Yes, then the 7 across में आप देखिए, impart color to the flower and fruit. It should be chromoplast. Then come to the 8th one, provide shape and rigidity to the plant cell. It is cell wall. Then the 10th, powerhouse of the cell. It is mitochondria. Now from top to bottom means downward. Help paramecium in locomotion. It is cilia. Then second, structure that help in protein synthesis. It is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then the fourth, it is help plant cell in converting solar energy into usable form. It is chloroplast. Then the sixth, control central of the cell. Control center क्या है? Nucleus. And the ninth, responsible for transferring traits from one generation to the next generation. It is gene. So it was all about the discussion of question answer of the chapter 1. Thank you very much, students. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay motivated.